Good morning. Not the morning. Should have picked this up sooner. Hey, John. Cool. Yeah, should have picked this up a little bit sooner, but I didn't. And then we had spicy pizza. Anyway, enough of lunch. How are you, sir?
Oh, what's happening, Carl?
Oh, what's happening, Jonathan? What are you doing?
Oh, just cam belt on a 150, mate. Cam belt and some oil leaks to start off. And I think the turbo got to come off. And then he wants it poly bushed.
A little bit of everything. And a little bit of welding. Just a little bit everywhere.
Yeah.
So yeah, this has a nice big long list of bits and bobs to solve. So that's going to keep John out of trouble for a wee memento.
I don't know about a wee memento.
I think a wee memento. But she, not that you can see it from down there, but she is a 150.
AFG.
There you go, you can see the manifold. You might be able to see the turbo actually. So
We've got to find the clutch for, which we don't know where to get.
A few moments later.
well, I'm currently looking for an oil leak on this, and I have done, which I didn't film. Track rod arms, track rod ends. This one does need a little alignment, but then that thing will be nice and diddly done. So that's that job. Also, if you didn't watch the last video, go over and have a look, because we were talking about the headlining for John's van. Should we keep it, should we not? Also, Mr. Namo's doing some welding. This is the van actually, you seen a little while ago, it's the other way around. And he was welding this side up. Well, since then it's been twisted round, and he's now doing this side. So far, done all of this, done a couple of patches on the step, and he's now, as you can see,
Morning, people. On afternoon.
Mr. Namo's doing Mr. Namo stuff.
Go tell it.
Does it need the lip? I showed the rest of it, I wasn't sure if it needed one or not.
It's here, but shame not doing that. It's together, but
Might as well do it while you're here. So what we might do is you can watch Di do this bit. And welcome to the voiceover. So as you can see, Di's moving around the panel. That's so he doesn't get too much heat in one area and then distort the panel. Well, as you can see, the panel Di was just welded has actually been primered. So now is the time to put the rock and roll bed back in and start putting it back together. Don't know what to say now, so la 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 la. Oh, there you go. You just see me and Di put the seat in, which was a lot heavier than I expected. Hello, Namo.
how's it going?
Having fun with this?
Huh?
Having fun?
Yeah.
Last time you seen, Mr. Namo was welding this up, and as you can clearly see,
Done and dusted.
diddly diddly.
It's almost done. A couple of bits back. Little patch. Yeah, he didn't have access on his drum.
Because she needs to go on pit. I think
Sounds cold.
Mr. John's Mr. John's done the timing on it.
I've done the timing, I don't do
Well, no, he's done the belt, not the actual timing. My mistake. Replacing the oil cooler. Ticking off a few lists on the long list of lists.
Yeah. Thing is, I started doing a service, I dumped the oil, took a filter off. I don't know, I think I might have to take a filter back off to take a bit more off it. By long list, I mean longer than my arm. Longer than the list on the cow.
Yeah, I doubt that's possible. Mr. John's working on that. Being cold and happy. I'm working on a new shape T4. Yeah, this coming just to check a few things, and turns out head gasket's gone. But while it's here, the guy who owns it is building a Mark II Golf. And he's took the hubs off of it because he needs the bearings pushed out. so we can send that off to powder coating. And we have a press, so that's my job. We've already done one, and I thought, you know what, let's pull the camera out, we can have a little look at something different. So where can we put you so you can watch us? Well, there we go. So a few things have moved about, as you can see right behind me. This van's now on the ramp. This is literally just getting a quick little lip replacement because it's a bit not okay. So that's what I'm up to. Cut that out, get it ready for Mr. Namo. John's 150. But the van that was there, Di's just underneath it in the pit, just welding that underneathy bit. John's still working on that. But leave them to that. I am going to tackle getting this lip off. So need to do a couple of cuts. Drill the spot welds out that aren't already rusted through. Perfect. Might have been sticking on a little time lapse and then we'll get this diddly done. See you in a moment. Well, here's me just putting a welding blanket up, making sure you don't get any of the sparks inside of the van. And then it turns out it was quite easy to get the lip off because it had rusted out so well. It was actually quite a quick process to pull it off. And then I went over afterwards, gave it a quick grind, made sure I got it back to good metal for the new one to go on. Well, there you go. You had a little watchy-see of me doing that. There is a little hole just there, and slightly bigger hole by there. But that's now cut off, ready for Di just to tidy it up a little bit more and weld the new one in. I was helpful. While I was doing that, Mr. Namo was in the pit doing the last little bit on that van, which is now all diddly done. Other than literally putting like the bumper and the lights and everything back on. This thing is ready. As you can see, this bad boy's running. Oh, and the intercooler's on. So when John's back over in a minute, we'll have a little goosey gander at this. So we'll see you in a moment when John's back. Well, there we go. Forgot to pick the camera up, but Mr. John's been having a play with this, and he's just looking for some cables because he wants to get his stereo to work. But this is now all painted. Just needs to run a little bit of tiger seal, finish off this bit.
Next batch, and where the key is for you to have a back.
Di is now completely finished with this. All done, all back together again. Done. Finito. Completed it. Did you find it straight away? Peekaboo! So that's now completely done, did it? And it can go back to its home. Go back to its owner. Well done, Di.
Saved it, there you go.
You can then make a start on doing the lip. And then that one can be gone and did. Happy days. But, yeah. John is literally just waiting to get the cable to be able to run that stereo, so that all works all hunky-dory.
Dum, dum, dum. There's a Sony radio. Dum, dum.
Give us a minute, we're going to try and figure some stuff out.
Ah, battery's not there.
Ah, cool.
Got a phone lead?
Got what?
Charger? Because my port is fractured. There you go. Goes on, then it goes off.
Right, give us a minute while we try and figure out what's going on by here. well, there we go. Can't really show too much of the... to turn it down so I don't get in trouble. But we managed to get it all to work. We did get the Android... There you go. Did get the Android Auto to work as well, which is perfect. Currently just running through on the Bluetooth. Look at that! But don't think I actually showed you the dash out the hydro van. She's in the cow. She is coming together perfect. She runs, sorted all the oil leaks out. And next time you see it, she'll be spun around, and it will be starting to think about having a look to see what's happening in the back. That will be the exciting bit. But sorry, it's been a bit of a mismatchy type of video. It's been a mishmatchy kind of week. But we're going to get ourselves gone. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a massive thumbs up. As always, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for putting out a bar, dumbass. And as always, take it easy.